pepper fish finger chickpea flour fried fritters, or pepper fish finger fritters, or fish finger pakoda. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the seafood recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fish recipes and one of the most delicious of the fish finger recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fritter recipes and one of the most delicious of the street food recipes. Today we are going to make pepper fish finger chickpea fingers in around 300 grams of fish cut into thin finger like pieces. Apply the crushed pieces of 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, around 1 red chili, a spoon of coriander powder, and half of a spoon of turmeric powder, and half a spoon of lemon juice, all mixed together and ground into powder, and this is applied onto the fish finger like pieces. Apply it thoroughly. And let the pieces marinate for around half an hour to 1 hour in the mixture. Pour in 150 ml water into 100 to 150 grams of chickpea flour. Mix, thoroughly mix. To make a thick paste, put in a spoon of spice mix, mix thoroughly. Put in a spoon of coriander powder, a spoon of black pepper powder, put in salt to taste, mix all the ingredients together. Put in the fish fingers into the batter and coat nicely with the chickpea flour mixture. Do this with the rest of the fish finger pieces until all the pieces are nicely coated. Heat the pan. Pour in 30 to 40 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the fish finger pieces. Let it fry. Okay. Let it fry. Let it fry by turning from side to side. Now, slowly take off the pan, drain the oil, and put it onto the plate. Put in the next pieces into the oil to fry. all the pieces are nicely fried. Turn it from side to side until golden brown. Put this until all the fish fingers are nicely fried. This is the final black pepper, fish finger, chickpea flour, fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the seafood recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the fritter recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.